I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I am going to unbox and test out this gorgeous Craft Pro mug and tumbler press from Heat Press Nation. It launches today, and so they sent it to me a little early so I could test it out and show you guys. So thanks to Heat Press Nation. Do you guys want to see the color? So the two new colors they launched today are pink and mint. It does 11 to 15 ounce mugs, as well as 12 to 30 ounce skinny tumblers. So it can do a variety of sizes of mugs and tumblers. So if you're wanting a more budget-friendly mug and tumbler press that still has amazing quality, then you'll want to get it before it sells out. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it, put it together, and we're gonna test it out. Okay, so it comes packaged so well. We've got this thick piece of styrofoam at the top, and then inside, there it is. It is such a gorgeous baby pink color. It matches perfectly with my 15 by 15 Craft Pro press. I am so excited. Let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging and put it together. So we have how to contact customer support. Their support team is fantastic. Okay, so here's our little pamphlet. Again, this comes in the white with the blue, and now pink and mint. Okay, so it's all about putting it together. Oh, it even has like tumbler pressing. That's cool. It gives you instructions. Okay, so here is the tumbler heating element. Again, it can do 12 to 30 ounce skinny tumblers. So here is this heating element for the tumbler attachment. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the floor. It'll make it a little easier. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. All right, so let's cut the film off. Look at this. Okay, so we have our plug, and it's already got the mug attached. Oh my goodness. This is very nice. All right, so we already have the mug press attached. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up for a mug. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print my sublimation print, and we're gonna go ahead and heat this up. So all we have to do is, it's pretty simple. It's already attached, and we're just gonna plug it in. So today I'm using my Sawgrass SG1000 printer. It is perfect for sublimation designs. Tumbler, I have my tumbler and coffee mug designs on the same sheet, and I am just gonna go ahead and trim everything up and get it ready to press. Okay, so we are gonna turn it on. I'm gonna be using some heat resistant tape, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut our design. Okay, so now that I've adjusted my pressure, I have a ceramic 11 ounce mug. I am going to place my design on here with just some heat resistant tape that is specially made for mugs and tumblers. I've got this cute Christmas design from Creative Fabrica. It says, "I run on coffee and Christmas cheer." So I'm excited to do this mug. So I'm just gonna cut this out, tape it on, and place it in the heat press. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try the tumbler attachment. So this worked so good. Look how gorgeous that looks. This was just an 11 ounce mug. Look at that, how gorgeous. Okay, let's do the tumbler. So I'm gonna turn this off, let it cool off a little bit, and then we are gonna switch out to the tumbler attachment, adjust the pressure, and press this tumbler. We've attached our heating element. We just twisted it in. Now we're gonna turn it on. I watched a few of Heat Press Nation's videos and it said 365 for 70 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna set it to 365 and then we're gonna set it to 70 seconds. Then we're gonna rotate it and do another 70 seconds. So again, we have our 20-ounce Skinny Tumbler. We have reached 365. I am not gonna put a piece of parchment paper or a Teflon sheet. I'm just gonna do what they did in their Heat Press Nation video. So I'm going to slide it in. I'm gonna actually put the seam up so I know exactly how much to turn it, okay? So I'm gonna close it and we're gonna do 70 seconds and then we're gonna rotate it like a quarter of a turn or half a turn. And then we're gonna do another 70 seconds. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, we're gonna rotate it. I'm gonna go like halfway around, okay? Another 70 seconds. All right, it is done. It is steaming hot, so be careful. Make sure you use your heat glove. I'm gonna let this cool off for a second before I try to take the tape off, and then we're gonna see the final result. So again, this is the 11-ounce mug. It did fantastic. Look at that color. I can't wait to see what this full wrap did. Okay, look how gorgeous that is. The colors turned out beautiful. Trimmed it too close, so you definitely want to have an overlap in that back section so you don't get a white line like I did. But I'm gonna try some more, so I will insert that footage here. Not bad at all. I think it looks stunning. So. Okay, so now we're gonna do our mugs. So what do you think? I think this heat press did a phenomenal job. It is gorgeous, it is pink, it is budget friendly, and it can do mugs and tumblers, all different sizes. So it can do 11 to 15 ounce mugs and 12 to 30 ounce skinny tumblers. I mean, it pressed amazing. Look at the color, look at the detail. It did a phenomenal job. Make sure you go out and get a Craft Pro mug and tumbler press. The pink and mint just released today and they will sell out fast for sure. So make sure if you want the pink one, you go ahead and get it now. I will link everything I used today in the description box below, especially the link to this mug and tumbler press in the gorgeous color. It looks fantastic with the 15 by 15 Heat Press Nation Craft Pro heat press. It even looks great with this little CAMEO 4 in the pink color. So if you want to add a little pink to your craft room as well as learn how to do mug and tumblers, this is it. That is it for today's unboxing and testing of the Craft Pro mug and tumbler press in the gorgeous color pink. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.